When you land on the Principal Financial Group website, the first impression is that it feels professional, clean, and clearly structured for people looking for insurance and financial planning solutions. The homepage is focused on their core services such as life insurance, retirement plans, annuities, and investment products. Navigation is fairly straightforward, with tabs for individuals, employers, and financial professionals, making it clear they are targeting multiple audiences. As I move through the site, one of the positives is the wealth of information available. There are educational resources that explain the basics of insurance and retirement planning, which can be very helpful for beginners. For instance, the retirement calculator and planning tools stand out because they allow users to run basic scenarios and get a sense of how prepared they are financially. However, while these tools are useful, they can sometimes feel too general and may not provide the level of personalization that people with more complex financial situations might need. The insurance section highlights term life, universal life, and variable universal life policies. It's helpful that the site explains these types with relatively clear definitions. Still, when it comes to actual pricing or quotes, the experience becomes more complicated. Instead of transparent cost details, users are often funneled towards speaking with a representative or advisor. This can be frustrating for those who prefer to compare numbers directly online before committing. Many useful links you can find in the description. Moving on to retirement services, Principal Financial Group emphasizes employer-sponsored plans, especially 401ks. If your employer uses Principal, the login portal is easy to find and the dashboard is functional once you're inside. That said, from a user perspective, the external site doesn't always provide a clear view of what to expect before signing up. This lack of upfront detail might leave potential customers uncertain about the full benefits and limitations. The investment section includes mutual funds, annuities, and managed portfolios. Again, there's good educational content here, but sometimes it feels like the site is more promotional than informational. For example, they highlight performance but don't always break down fees in a way that is straightforward for new investors. This can be a drawback if transparency is your top priority. Another important factor is customer support. The site provides multiple ways to connect, including phone and advisor search features. However, based on my experience, getting to the right person can sometimes involve long wait times or being redirected. That makes the online self-service tools even more critical, and while they exist, they could be more intuitive. Overall, Principal Financial Group's website does a solid job of showcasing the breadth of services they offer, but it leans heavily on pushing you toward direct contact with their representatives. This makes sense from their business perspective, but may not feel ideal for users who want everything clearly available up front. The positives are professional design, lots of educational resources, and helpful planning tools. The negatives are limited transparency on pricing, a sometimes promotional tone, and a customer support experience that could be smoother. If you're someone who values guidance and personal contact with financial professionals, this site may fit your needs. If you're more independent and want clear upfront numbers, you may find it lacking. Thank you for watching this review of Principal Financial Group. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and user experiences.